how to save favorite listing on Airbnb. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me go out to quick and easy and how you can save a listing as a favorite on Airbnb. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so we got it through. You can head over to airbnb.com or you can head into Airbnb app. Now here, along the listing that you will search for or that is there, you'll find this little heart icon at the top right of the listing. So you can click on it and now you'll be get the option to create a wish list. So I'll create this wish list as my favorite and then you can create it and now it'll be saved onto your listing. Similarly, you can add this listing other listings as well and you can see it'll be saved. Now if you want to create a different listing, for example this two on the same list and this one on the other list, then you can click on the heart icon. Pop-up will appear here that your listing has been made, right? So you can click on change option here and proceed to create a new wish list, and you can create a new wish list and save it as well. So this is how you can easily save to favorites or create a favorites listing on your Airbnb. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe as well.